Crypto is quiet, too quiet. You can almost feel it in the air, right? That eerie calm before the storm. Or in the crypto world, the bull run. We all know it's coming. It's like clockwork. But this time, it feels different, bigger, maybe even life-changing. But when exactly does the next bull run start? How do you know if it's real or just a fake pump? And how long will it last? These are the questions keeping me up at night, and I know you're wondering the same thing. In this video, I'm breaking it all down for you, using real data, market cycles, and the kind of smart strategies that helped me build a 7-figure portfolio. We're talking about the signs you absolutely can't ignore, the mistakes that could cost you thousands, and the simple steps to position yourself for maximum profit. Stick around, because the next 8 minutes might just change your crypto game forever. First, what is a bull run? It's not just some fancy Wall Street term to scare off beginners. A bull run is a period in the crypto market where prices consistently go up, across most major coins. We're not talking about a quick 10% pump here. We're talking weeks, sometimes even months, of explosive growth. It's not just Bitcoin, it's Ethereum, altcoins, meme coins. Everything starts gaining value like it's going out of style. Remember Dogecoin going absolutely nuts? That's the power of a bull run. During a bull run, we see new all-time highs, massive FOMO, that fear of missing out that makes people throw money at anything, and of course, huge media attention. Everyone from your grandma to your Uber driver suddenly becomes a crypto expert. The 2017 bull run was triggered by ICO hype, remember those? Everyone and their dog was launching a coin. The 2021 bull run was driven by institutions, NFTs, and DeFi. Every cycle has its own flavor. But here's the big question. How do you know when a bull run is starting? How do you separate the signal from the noise? Don't worry, we'll get to that. Look, I'm not gonna lie to you. There's no magic button that tells you bull run has started. If it were that easy, we'd all be swimming in Lambos right now. But there are signs, clues that the market is about to go parabolic. And knowing how to spot these signs is what separates the rookies from the pros. First, we look at the Bitcoin halving. This happens roughly every 4 years, where the rate at which new Bitcoins are created is cut in half. Historically, 12 to 18 months after each Bitcoin halving, we see a bull run. Coincidence? I don't think so. It's basic supply and demand. Second, keep an eye on the long-term uptrend. We want to see Bitcoin breaking key resistance levels on the weekly chart. Think of it like this. Bitcoin is a rocket ship, and those resistance levels are like layers of the atmosphere. Each time it breaks through, it's gaining more altitude, more momentum. Third, we look at the altcoin season index. This tells us whether it's more profitable to hold Bitcoin or altcoins. When the index is above 75, altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin, which is a classic sign of a bull market heating up. Fourth, never underestimate the power of Google Trends. Search interest in crypto, Bitcoin, and altcoins rises significantly before and during bull runs. It's a simple but powerful indicator of public sentiment. Finally, we dive into on-chain metrics. This is where things get really interesting. We're talking about wallet activity, whale accumulation, exchange outflows, all the data points that tell us what the big money is doing. And trust me, they're not just sitting on the sidelines. These aren't guarantees, but together, they build a strong signal. It's like piecing together a puzzle. The more pieces you have, the clearer the picture becomes. Chapter 3. Now before you go all in on every coin with a green candle, we need to talk about fakeouts. These are the market's cruel jokes. Short-term pumps that look like bull runs, get everyone excited, and then crash. Hard. Many traders get trapped by fakeouts, buying at the top and then watching their portfolios bleed red. But don't worry, I'm going to give you the tools to avoid them. First, don't trust single-day green candles. Remember, we're looking for sustained growth, not a sugar rush. Look for volume. Is there big money behind the move, or is it just retail investors chasing pumps on Twitter? Watch Bitcoin dominance. If BTC is rising but altcoins are dying, it's not a real bull market yet. It's like a rising tide that only lifts Bitcoin, leaving all the other boats stranded. Follow news cycles. Is the media back to hyping crypto 24/7? Are your friends who haven't mentioned Bitcoin in years suddenly calling you for investment advice? That's a sign that things might be getting overheated. Remember, real bull runs are supported by fundamentals. Adoption is growing, technology is improving, and more people are understanding the value proposition of crypto. Fakeouts are driven by hype, speculation, and often manipulation. Chapter 4. Great question. How long can you ride the wave? How long can you keep printing money before the music stops? Well, historically bull runs last between 12 to 18 months from the time they truly start. That's your window of opportunity. In 2017, the bull run started around March 2017, peaked in December 2017. That's about 9 months of pure euphoria. In 2021, it started mid-2020 and peaked late 2021, a bit longer, around 18 months. Each bull run is getting longer because the market is maturing, more institutional money is flowing in, and the overall market cap is bigger. But remember, bull runs end, always. They end when greed peaks, when everyone and their dog is already in, and there's no one left to buy. That's why it's crucial to have an exit plan. Don't be the person who gets caught holding the bag when the music stops. Chapter 5. Want to win the bull run? Want to be the one sipping mojitos on a beach somewhere, watching your portfolio grow? Preparation is everything. You don't want to be scrambling to buy when the price is already up 100%. You want to be positioned for success before the masses even realize what's happening. First, build positions early. Accumulate during sideways markets. This is when you find the best deals, when everyone else is sleeping. Set targets. Take profits on the way up. Don't be greedy. Remember, you only make money when you sell. Use tools like TradingView, CoinGecko, and Glassnode. These platforms give you the data and insights you need to make informed decisions. Avoid hype coins at the top, they crash hard. Remember Squid Game coin? Yeah, don't be that person. Consider dollar cost averaging into strong projects. This is a low-stress strategy where you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals regardless of the price. It's a great way to build a position over time and reduce the impact of volatility. The bull run is where fortunes are made, or lost. Be prepared, be smart, and ride the wave to financial freedom. So, is the bull run here? Is this it? If we're past the halving, Bitcoin is breaking resistance, and altcoins are flying. Yes, we're in. The signs are all around us. But don't wait for the headlines to tell you. By then it's too late. Be early, be smart, be prepared. Like this video if you learned something, and comment below. Do you think the bull run is starting soon? Let's get a conversation going. Subscribe for weekly crypto insights, and let's ride the wave together.